Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn about main doors. Why are in Vastu Shastra main doors considered very auspicious and very important spot? Because as a human body we have a mouth through which we consume the food so that we can get the energy source. Similarly in your home your main door is considered very important because main door is the one spot through which your all positive energies and negative energies travel. That means in Vastu Shastra the first priority is given to Brahmastan, the energy source of all the planets and elements. And similarly, your main door, because all the negative energies, drishti, evil eye, jealousy of people are connected through a main door. That's why main door are always decorated. That means through mango leaves or some decoration stuff. We create a positive vibes around the main door because main doors are very auspicious in Vastu Shastra. But if your main door is considered in a negative spot, that means these are the 9 spots which are considered very positive, very auspicious. But instead of this, any other directions you have constructed your main door, then it's considered very negative, and more than positive energies, you'll attract negative energies. That means in your life, failures, hurdles, struggles, all those negative things will start happening. You will start attracting negative people, which will create a loss in your life. So that's why main door should be well balanced. That's why the first remedy we have to do is use the metal strips or color tapes so that we can balance our main door. Along with this, you can use door protectors so that you get a quick recovery and you get a quick results. Door protectors are basically like these protectors. These are made up of brass and a black tourmaline pyramid. Metal and crystal, both we get from our environment. That's why in Vastu Shastra, which remedies we get from our environment, that's Prakriti. We get the best results of that. And there are crystals placed inside them. So crystals are the most auspicious and positive energies, tools which you can use to amplify home energies. So these are basically placed in the left and the right side of the main door. You can check this reference photo so that you can get a better understanding that how to use these door protectors. Whenever you place these door protectors, our main door starts getting positive vibes. The first rule is to make or construct in a positive zone. If that's not possible, then you can use a metal strip or color tapes to balance them. Along with this, you can use door protectors at the left and right side so that you get a boost energies, you get all the opportunities, all the success which you are awaiting for. So if you have a requirement of this product, you can contact in the number given below. Along with this, if you want to check the Vastu of your home plan, then you can send your plan in the number given below. And after the correction, the complete Vastu remedies products you will receive in our office. And if you are interested in Vastu classes, that means how this Vastu Shastra, how our surroundings align with us, support with us, how does these energies affect our problems and manifest our wishes and all. That means by our elders, always we hear that your friend circle, your surrounding people should be powerful and smart. The reason is because how you're surrounding, your mind related frequency starts relating with them. So for example, if you are in a dark room where everywhere there are cracks, there are negative energies, then you don't start feeling to work at your true potential. But similarly, your plot is made according to the Vastu Shastra. That means the light colors are used, the toilet placement, kitchen placement, main door placement, everything is perfect. So whenever you stay in this surrounding, you'll start getting that positive vibes and all to get motivated and work a lot. So this Vastu Shastra, it basically helps you in aligning with your space. That means aligning with your land energies. And once it's aligned, you start receiving opportunities in your life. Along with this, in this courses, more than 350 remedies we are going to learn, and basic to advanced. That means if you are just a beginner who was a curiosity to learn about Vastu Shastra, from there to the professional knowledge you will start learning in this course. Then 45 Devtas. Basically 45 Devtas is an advanced part in which pinpoint remedies, that means a particular problem, which degrees are connected, which Devtas are connected, and by activating those you start receiving your solutions and all. And aura scanners and pendulums. These are basic dowsing tools through which we can sense the energies and all. That means this aura booster we have to use or not use, where we have to place for the best remedies and best directions to activate these energies. This all questions and all you can answer with aura scanners and pendulums. So this complete content you are going to learn in this course. For more information, you can check the description box and contact in the number given below to enroll in these courses. Thank you for watching this whole video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment the next video related to which problems or which myth you want to clear them. I'll surely make the videos related to that. So do comment in the comment section and do subscribe my channel so that you can transform your life in a positive way. So thank you.